Day 4. We're still in Ipoh. The hotel was nice except for the beds were rock hard. Everything else has been great about that hotel. Here we are, day 4 in Ipoh. Yet to decide what's going to happen. Go with the flow is always the best way and see where we end up. But definitely not in those beds again tonight. Early morning, between 7 and 8 a.m. There's not much open, but there are people out and about walking. And there seems to be a lot of beautiful buildings everywhere I look. And Peric Hydro building. They all have a function, I guess. This seems to be more the old part of town. Once again, some really nice buildings. That's one thing I'm discovering. And when you spin around here, you have this building over here. It's really, really nice. Shifting in closer on that one. On a street here in Ipoh. And it's the common theme of this place. It never seems to be any people. This is 7:30 in the morning, so maybe it all wakes up at 9 o'clock. But what we saw at 3 o'clock yesterday, and now at 7:30 a.m. is hardly any people. Extremely dead town. So I'm just coming up to what looks like a coffee shop. First thing I've seen open this morning. I mean, it is early, around 8 a.m. But this looks very nice, and I think I'll go here and have a quick coffee if they serve it. I'm just having a very quick, very sweet coffee. It's a certain type of coffee here. Way too sweet for me. An average enough pool, but still it does the job. You get a nice refreshing swim. And this is the pool area, which looks out over the town this direction, and the mountains in the background. And just to give it the feel of this area from the top of the hotel pool. Loving this buffet. It's a huge breakfast buffet, isn't it? What do you think, Valeska?
Well, it's amazing that they have everything here.
Yeah. Every conceivable thing, scrambled eggs, Malaysian food, sausages, coffees. You are, Valeska, at the temple, and it's impressive. Set into a garden or something. The back area. It's the back of the cave. Yeah. It's a huge cave we're in at the moment. So there's the other side of the mountain. We've gone right from one side to the other side, and we're coming out here now. And it does look really nice. Back into another cave. So all these temples are situated in the cave. Another temple. This is the third one in the same area. And I know nothing about it. Frog. And some blossom trees. So today's been interesting because we went to the temples, that was very good. But then we went to that eco park and it was all shut up. And then we just had a long drive, it seems, back close to where our hotel is now. The lady, lovely lady from India, but she didn't really know many great places to take us. So I'm sure they're out there in this area, but it is a good thing we're leaving on the 4 o'clock train, I get the feeling. Here he comes with the food. The rice looks very nice. Yeah. That looks good.
This cheese power.
Oh, yum. I love that.
And this only curry.
What is that?
Only curry, you can curry. Don't put anything, only curry. Like this, eat white rice, cheese naan, eat like this kind of.
Oh, you dip it in.
You can try that.
Yeah, thank you. There you go. Well, let's get finishing off our meal.
Delicious.
And I'll get a photo. There. And it's been very, very good.
I know.
And we're just in a little Indian restaurant in the center of Malaysia. It's very good. I'll just take a
If
quick.
you want take two picture, you go to inside. Go to that.
So, well, we really, there's me. I'm never usually in the video. So here we are at the end of our trip to Ipoh in Malaysia. We're about to move on to Penang. It's just beginning to rain, so it's perfect timing. Usually when it rains around 4 o'clock. Now it's around 3:30, it's beginning to start. It goes for a couple of hours, which is when we're going to be on the train to Penang, so well planned. And there's our hotel, the big tall building. Leska's in a hurry because she doesn't like the rain. And there's the water of the river in the main area of Ipoh. And we're going inside. Thank you so much. And lovely reception. And there it is. We've had a good time. Hello. So how did you like it here?
Fun.
You had a great time?
Wonderful time actually.
The Indian food was good?
It was better than I was expecting. But
And the buffet this morning?
yes.
And the
Yes.
trip to the Buddhist
Incredible
caves?
too.
Amazing.
Yeah, that was something magical.
Yeah, so all good.
But even now, escaping the storm was a little bit of an adventure.
I just had that quaint, majestic old style feel. The architecture and everything. So just heading in now. Time to go, is it? Yeah, so there's your clubs, and you're a golfer as well.
Yes.
Yes. And your handicap is 24.
The skill like a Tiger Woods, but player 24, handicap 24.
Handicap 24, yeah. So you're going to Penang
Yes.
to play golf?
Yes.
I must look up
I'm
the
a
course.
tour, golfer.
Oh, 24. 24 tour. Yeah.
Okay, right.
Oh, that's fun. And there's our cases all ready to go. I take a week off golf because I'm here in Malaysia for 1 week. But let's go. We better get on the train. Yeah. going for the ferry at Butterworth, which goes across to Penang. Beautiful evening, looking across the Penang. There's the bridge across to the island, and we're actually taking the ferry, so the old-fashioned way. And we're about to enter onto the boat now and cut across to Penang. Here in the middle of Georgetown, we just stopped off for a beer before we go to our resort, and very similar to Ipoh but with a lot more people, and we should get back here and see it properly tomorrow. But now we're just having a bit of a snack, a rest, and then back to the hotel. Lovely warm tropical night. Let's get on out to get some mosquito repellent in the supermarket down that direction. She'll be back shortly. She's ordered a mudslide, so that will be interesting, but we're enjoying the evening. Look how lively this is, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they get lots of sales. Yes. It's beginning to rain, look. So we're in the night market. Night food market. Yeah. And it's just beginning to rain now, but that's
Yeah,
good.
I know, what a shame.
Yeah. Satay Tangerine Cafe. We can come back here tomorrow. Look how lively it is. Yeah, tonight I was happy with the quiet place. Oh, look at the food. How good is that stir fry? Let's go. Yeah. It's a shame they have cars allowed down here. Yeah. That's a Chinese restaurant. That's the locals. There's the barber. Universal sign, huh?
Would you like to go or not?
Have a haircut? Yeah, they'll be finished very quick. Oh, good. Yeah.
Drinks is happy hour. Dining is 1 p.m.
Ah, very nice. Definitely tomorrow night.
Drinks happy hour.
Tomorrow night for sure.
Still doing happy hour, sir. Buy one free shot at 11.
Oh, it's at 9 p.m. Yeah.